1.5 Exercises. 1. Practice makes perfect. 1.1 Use the commutative and associative properties. In the following exercises, simplify. 313, 43, m, plus, open parenthesis, negative 12n, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, negative 16, m, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, negative 9n, closed parenthesis. 314, negative, 22p, plus, 17q, plus, open parenthesis, negative, 35p, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, negative, 27q, closed parenthesis. 315, 3, over, 8, g, plus, 1, over, 12, h, plus, 7, over, 8, g, plus, 5, over, 12, h. 316. 5, over, 6, a, plus, 3, over, 10, b, plus, 1, over, 6, a, plus, 9, over, 10, b. 317. 6.8p, plus, 9.14q, plus, open parenthesis, negative, 4.37p, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, negative, 0.88q, closed parenthesis. 318, 9.6 m, plus, 7.22n, plus, open parenthesis, negative 2.19 m, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, negative 0.65n, closed parenthesis. 319, negative, 24.7.3 over 8. 320, negative, 36.11.4 over 9. 321, open parenthesis, 5 over 6 plus 8 over 15, closed parenthesis, plus 7 over 15. 322, open parenthesis, 11 over 12 plus 4 over 9, closed parenthesis, plus 5 over 9. 323, 17, times, open parenthesis, 0.25, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 4, closed parenthesis. 324, 36, times, open parenthesis, 0.2, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 5, closed parenthesis. 325, open square bracket, 2.48, times, open parenthesis, 12, closed parenthesis, closed square bracket, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 0.5, closed parenthesis. 326, open square bracket, 9.731, times, open parenthesis, 4, closed parenthesis, closed square bracket, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 0.75, closed parenthesis. 327, 12, times, open parenthesis, 5, over, 6, p, closed parenthesis. 328, 20, times, open parenthesis, 3, over, 5, q, closed parenthesis. 1.2. Use the properties of identity, inverse and zero. In the following exercises, simplify. 329, 19a, plus, 44, minus, 19a. 330, 27c, plus, 16, minus, 27c. 331. 1, over, 2, plus, 7, over, 8, plus, open parenthesis, negative 1, over, 2, closed parenthesis. 332, 2, over, 5, plus, 5, over, 12, plus, open parenthesis, negative, 2, over, 5, closed parenthesis. 333, 10, times, open parenthesis, 0.1d, closed parenthesis. 334, 100, times, open parenthesis, 0.01p, closed parenthesis. 335, 3, over, 20, dot, 49, over 11, dot 20, over 3. 336, 13, over 18, dot 25, over 7, dot 18, over 13. 337, 0, divided by u, minus 4.99, where u naught equals 4.99. 338, 0, divided by, open parenthesis, y, minus 1, over 6, closed parenthesis, where x naught equals to 1, over 6. 339, 32 minus 5a, divided by 0, where 32 minus 5a not equal to 0. 340, 28 minus 9b, divided by 0, where 28 minus 9b not equal to 0. 341, open parenthesis, 3, over 4, plus 19, over 10, m, closed parenthesis, divided by 0, where 3, over 4, plus 9, over 10, m, not equal to 0. 342, open parenthesis, 5, over 16n, minus 3, over 7, closed parenthesis, divided by 0, where 5, over 16n, minus 3, over 7, not equal to 0. 1.3. Simplify expressions using the distributive property. In the following exercises, simplify using the distributive property. 343. 8 times, open parenthesis, 4y, plus 9, closed parenthesis. 344. 9 times, open parenthesis, 3w, plus 7, closed parenthesis. 345. 6 times, open parenthesis, c, minus 13, closed parenthesis. 346. 7 times, open parenthesis, y, minus 13, closed parenthesis. 347. 1, over 4 times, open parenthesis, 3q, plus 12, closed parenthesis. 348. 1, over 5 times, open parenthesis, 4m, plus 20, closed parenthesis. 349. 9 times, open parenthesis, 5, over 9y, minus 1, over 3, closed parenthesis. 350. 10 times, open parenthesis, 3, over 10x, minus 2, over 5, closed parenthesis. 351. 12 times, open parenthesis, 1, over 4, plus 2, over 3r, closed parenthesis. 352. 12 times, open parenthesis, 1, over 6, plus 3, over 4s, closed parenthesis. 353. 15, dot, 3, over 5 times, open parenthesis, 4d, plus 10, closed parenthesis. 354. 18, dot, 5, over 6 times, open parenthesis, 15h, plus 24, closed parenthesis. 355. r, times, open parenthesis, s, minus 18, closed parenthesis. 356. u, times, open parenthesis, v, minus 10, closed parenthesis. 357. Open parenthesis, y, plus 4, closed parenthesis, p. 358. Open parenthesis, a, plus 7, closed parenthesis, x. 359. Negative 7 times, open parenthesis, 4p, plus 1, closed parenthesis. 360. Negative 9 times, open parenthesis, 9a, plus 4, closed parenthesis. 361. Negative 3 times, open parenthesis, x, minus 6, closed parenthesis. 362. Negative 4 times, open parenthesis, q, minus 7, closed parenthesis. 363, negative, open parenthesis, 3x, minus, 7, closed parenthesis. 364, negative, open parenthesis, 5p, minus, 4, closed parenthesis. 365, 16, minus, 3, times, open parenthesis, y, plus, 8, closed parenthesis. 366, 18, minus, 4, times, open parenthesis, x, plus, 2, closed parenthesis. 367, 4, minus, 11, times, open parenthesis, 3c, minus, 2, closed parenthesis. 368, 9, minus, 6, times, open parenthesis, 7n, minus, 5, closed parenthesis. 369, 22, minus, open parenthesis, a, plus, 3, closed parenthesis. 370, 8, minus, open parenthesis, r, minus, 7, closed parenthesis. 371, open parenthesis, 5, m, minus, 3, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, m, plus, 7, closed parenthesis. 372, open parenthesis, 4y, minus, 1, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, y, minus, 2, closed parenthesis. 373, 9, times, open parenthesis, 8x, minus, 3, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, negative 2, closed parenthesis. 374, 4, times, open parenthesis, 6x, minus, 1, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, negative 8, closed parenthesis. 375, 5, times, open parenthesis, 2n, plus, 9, closed parenthesis, plus, 12, times, open parenthesis, n, minus, 3, closed parenthesis. 376, 9, times, open parenthesis, 5u, plus, 8, closed parenthesis, plus, 2, times, open parenthesis, u, minus, 6, closed parenthesis. 377, 14, times, open parenthesis, c, minus, 1, closed parenthesis, minus, 8, times, open parenthesis, c, minus, 6, closed parenthesis. 378, 11, times, open parenthesis, n, minus, 7, closed parenthesis, minus, 5, times, open parenthesis, n, minus, 1, closed parenthesis. 379, 6, times, open parenthesis, 7y, plus, 8, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 30y, minus, 15, closed parenthesis. 380, 7, times, open parenthesis, 3n, plus, 9, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 4n, minus, 13, closed parenthesis. 2. Writing exercises. 381. In your own words, state the associative property of addition. 382. What is the difference between the additive inverse and the multiplicative inverse of a number? 383. Simplify 8 times, open parenthesis, x, minus, 1, over, 4, closed parenthesis, using the distributive property and explain each step. 384. Explain how you can multiply 4 times, open parenthesis, $5.97, closed parenthesis, without paper or calculator by thinking of $5.97 as 6, minus 0.03 and then using the distributive property. Section 1.5, Self-Check. A. After completing the exercises, use this checklist to evaluate your mastery of the objectives of this section. I can. Confidently. With some help. No, I don't get it. Use the commutative and associative properties. Use the properties of identity, inverse and zero. Simplify expressions using the distributive property. B. After reviewing this checklist, what will you do to become confident for all objectives?